Part 3. Jobs AI can't replace yet? Not all jobs are equally threatened by artificial intelligence. In fact, there are still many roles where humans have the clear advantage, either because of our creativity, emotional intelligence, or the nuanced decisions that machines still struggle to replicate. Let's explore the types of jobs AI won't replace anytime soon and why these roles still need the human touch. 1. Creative professions. AI can generate images, write articles, even compose music, but when it comes to true originality, humans still lead. Artists, designers, writers, directors, musicians, they don't just create based on data. They create from emotion, lived experience, and cultural awareness. Human creativity is fueled by stories, struggles, and soul. AI lacks that depth of experience. It can mimic, but it can't feel. That's why jobs that involve inventing, imagining, or storytelling remain safe for now. 2. Healthcare professionals. While AI can analyze scans and data faster than any human, it still lacks empathy, bedside manner, and the trust patients need from caregivers. Surgeons, therapists, nurses, and primary care doctors offer more than diagnoses. They offer human support during vulnerable times. A machine might assist in an operation, but would you want it to explain a life-changing diagnosis? Probably not. Human emotion is a critical component of healing. That's something AI simply cannot deliver. 3. Mental health workers and coaches. Empathy, intuition, and emotional connection are vital in therapy, counseling, and life coaching. AI may offer scripted advice or mood tracking, but it lacks the depth of understanding needed to guide someone through trauma, grief, or growth. Real change often comes from feeling heard, not just being given data.
4. Skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, mechanics, and other skilled tradespeople deal with unpredictable environments. These roles often require on-the-spot problem-solving, dexterity, and adaptability in the real-world, things that robots still struggle to handle outside of a controlled lab or factory floor. Plus, many trade jobs also involve human interaction, trust building, and customer service. 5. Leadership and strategic roles. While AI can crunch numbers and simulate scenarios, leadership isn't just about logic. It's about vision, communication, persuasion, and rallying people around a goal. CEOs, entrepreneurs, and managers lead people, and people are emotional, complex, and sometimes irrational. Strategic thinking often involves risk, instinct, and understanding human dynamics, a field AI still can't master. 6. Teachers and educators. AI can assist in learning, but it cannot replace great teachers. Educators don't just pass along knowledge, they mentor, inspire, and adapt to students' unique needs and emotional states. The ability to recognize when a student is struggling, to personalize a lesson in real time, or to motivate someone through encouragement, those are human skills AI can't duplicate. Even as AI personalizes online learning, the role of human educators remains vital. So what's the takeaway? AI is incredibly powerful, but it's still just a tool. Where emotional intelligence, creativity, and human connection matter, people still come first. The future of work isn't about man versus machine, it's about man with machine.